Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Douglas County in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Elbert County, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:47 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Black Forest, or 21 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, $half size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Albert, Elizabeth, Kiowa, and Ponderosa Park. Precautionary, preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The winds were south.
This is the National Weather Service in Boulder. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, the tone alert will be activated to warn of the impending danger. This test of the warning alarm is normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, if severe weather threatens the area near the test time, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm may vary at any given location. This variability will normally be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, even though you're using a high-quality receiver. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties covered by this transmitter: Adams, Arapahoe, Boulder, Broomfield, Clear Creek, Denver, Douglas, Northwest Elbert, Gilpin, Jefferson, Southern Larimer, Eastern Park, and Southern and Central Weld. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System. This is the National Weather Service in Boulder. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, the tone alert will be activated to warn of the impending danger. This test of the warning alarm is normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, if severe weather threatens the area near the test time, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm may vary at any given location. This variability will normally be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, even though you're using a high-quality receiver. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties covered by this transmitter: Adams, Arapahoe, Boulder, Broomfield, Clear Creek, Denver, Douglas, Northwest Elbert, Gilpin, Jefferson, Southern Larimer, Eastern Park, and Southern and Central Weld. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System.